Hello everyone and welcome to my YouTube channel DIY Home Deco. Today's video gonna be about modern gate design ideas 2023 main gate ideas, house exterior, front wall design, sliding gates. The main gate designs and doors offer security and appealing elements to your home. While selecting the best main gate designs, you need to consider both aesthetics and technical aspects. This video explored the best main gate designs for your home, modern main gate designs, and low-cost simple main gate designs. The main gate designs plays a central role in the overall aesthetic of your home. Therefore, you should explore the range of main gate designs before finalizing the perfect one. You can start by considering your requirements. It begins by knowing which main gate designs will suit your property. To select the perfect main gate designs, the first thing you need to consider is property type. For instance, now houses, independent bungalows, grand main gate designs may suit perfectly. While choosing the best from door design, you also need to consider the safety aspects of the main gate. Therefore, along with the design, choosing the right material for the main gate design is important too. Here are the important things you should consider before finalizing the best main gate designs for your home. Size, confirmation, and type of the property. The size, confirmation, and type of the property must be taken into consideration while choosing the main gate designs. The main gate should be in proportions to the size of your property. Choose appropriate dimensions of the main gate designs before finalizing the design aspects. Form and design style. The form and the design style of the main gate give an attractive quality of the main gates. Choosing a form and style that can match perfectly with the home exterior can make a great overall impression. Type of material. Let's talk about the type of material. The primary reason for making the main gate are the provide security, and therefore the main gate design should have adequate strength. Iron, steel, aluminium are the most widely used material for house gate designs. These material provide good strength and allow customized main gate designs due to their workability. Let's talk about the security aspects. Before choosing the main gate designs, you should ensure that the doors surface the security needs to your property. Strong and durable doors should be considered best from a security and lifespan standpoint. Next, we talk about the functionality. Depending on the availability of the space, you can choose the functionality of the main gate. The main gate could be the sliding gates, swing gates, pivot lift gates, and automated gates are some of the common type of the main gates depending on functionality. Modern main gate designs. The modern main gate designs use a perfect balance of shapes, moffets, textures, and functionality. The modern main gates design are designed considering the utmost security, more functionality, and enhance the aesthetic appeal of your gate. Also have other important characteristics such as weather, compatibility, security locks, and automations. Here are some of the best modern main gate designs for home. The best modern main gate designs have subtle color combination that can be matched perfectly on the overall home theme and decorations. The best approach for selecting the modern main gate design is to consider the color and textures of the home exterior. Most of the modern main gate designs come with excellent material characteristics. The most widely used material for the modern main gate are all stainless steel and iron. Let's talk about the low cost simple main gate design. For a low cost simple main gate design, you can OPT for iron as a gate material. Using a iron as a material for a low cost simple main gate designs allows you to create a range of simple main gate designs cost effectively. Here are low cost simple main gate designs for your home. The simple main gate designs depends also prove to be a good option when you have vibrant home decor styles. The simple main gate designs have an element of beauty, functionality, and a lighter tone to the exterior home decor. Generally, the low cost simple gate designs consist of geometric shapes arranged symmetrically. The design elements used in the low cost simple gate designs are often simple yet give an impressive quality to the overall home design. House gate designs depending on the type of material. When choosing the best house gate design, the material becomes the first and foremost consideration. The type of material used for the house gate designs gives it qualitative features such as strength and durability. For better house gate designs, the material used should possess excellent workability. Materials such as iron, stainless steel, and aluminum are easy to work with, and therefore various intricate designs can be made easily. Let's check out the front gate designs for home based on the type of material used. Number one, we talk about the iron main gate design. The iron is considered the most suitable for the main gate designs. The iron main gate designs are durable and provide good security features. Moreover, iron can be shaped into intricate shapes and sizes. It allows you to create customized iron main gate designs. The limitations of the iron mainly is its cohesively. However, with proper paint, the iron main gate designs can last for long durations of your main gate home interior design. Number two design is steel gate design. Steel is a light, is weight, and non-consosive. The modern steel gate designs are perfect for the main gate designs. Also, steel allows it to be formed into various customized shapes and geometrics to give the best aesthetics. Here are the best steel gate designs for your home. By choosing steel for a main gate designs for your home, you can add an extra element of beauty of your home. The grill gate designs. The grill gate designs are popular for the front gates. The designs are used for the small, medium, and even for the larger properties. The some best examples of the grill gate designs are here. The structure of the grill gate designs provides adequate strength and durability. The design of the grill are simple yet effective from the design as well as the safety standpoint. The commonly used material for the main gate designs is iron and steel. If you're watching it first time my video, don't forget to subscribe my channel and press the like button. One, and comment share with your friends and family members. They can also learn home decor. Thank you very much for watching my video. Bye, take care.